Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best You Are Invited book is probably one of the most captivating and thought-provoking reads I've encountered recently, offering a unique blend of storytelling and insightful commentary that will undoubtedly resonate with anyone seeking a deeper understanding of connection and belonging in our increasingly complex world. Number 5. Aimoh Number 10 Security Self-Seal Envelopes. Introducing our pack of 100 Number 10 security envelopes. These are perfect for small businesses, home offices, and everyday use, offering a windowless front panel for added privacy. Our envelopes are designed with a security tint pattern. This ensures your contents and sensitive information remain protected, making them ideal for ultra-secure mailing. Experience the convenience of our ultra-strong self-seal adhesive strip. It creates a full, super secure seal across the width, ensuring they won't easily open or tear during transit. These envelopes are perfectly suited for mailing any letter-sized or larger documents. The secure seal prevents splitting, giving you peace of mind. Crafted with premium construction, these envelopes are fully compatible with most inkjet and laser printers. This allows for quick and easy addressing, saving you time. Manufactured with a 24 lb weight, these envelopes are built to last. They provide a durable and reliable solution for all your mailing needs. What we like? These offer a secure and private mailing solution. If you need to send sensitive documents or prefer a professional, discreet look for your business correspondence, these are an excellent choice. Their strong adhesive ensures everything stays sealed. What people say? They're nice and thick, so nothing shows through, and the self-seal feature is a lifesaver for anyone who refuses to lick envelopes like it's 1995. The security feature is perfect for me, and because it is self-sealing, I don't have to worry about the humidity sealing all my envelopes before I can use them. Quality product with security hiding of what's inside. Number 4. Paper Junkie Heart Stickers. Add a sophisticated touch to your special occasions. These seals provide a secure closure with a charming heart design, perfect for formal correspondence. Featuring a classic black heart surrounded by an olive wreath, this elegant design enhances the visual appeal of your invitations and thank you cards. Crafted from premium transparent vinyl, these stickers are durable and reliable. The strong adhesive backing ensures they stick securely to various paper types. Measuring 1.25 inches, each sticker is ideal for sealing envelopes without overpowering the overall design. They are versatile for both personal and business use. With 250 stickers in each pack, you'll have a sufficient supply for weddings, anniversaries, and other formal events. Never run short on your stationery needs. What we like? Add a touch of sophistication to your special occasions. If you're planning a wedding, anniversary, or any formal event and want to add a beautiful, secure seal to your invitations and thank you cards, these are perfect. Their charming design elevates any stationery. What people say? Cute stickers and they stick well, and are easy to use. The color is see-through, which I really love. Great stickers. Use them for my wedding invites and thank you cards. Worked well and looked really nice. They helped make the invites a bit more upscale. Easy to remove from the sheet and came off cleanly. These are amazing quality. They work so well. I was actually really surprised by how nice and thick they are. Their adhesion is really good on paper after it sets for a while. If you mess up and need to take it off right away, it comes up without tearing the paper, which is awesome. Peeling them off of the sheet is a breeze. Number 3. Hadley designed superhero birthday invitations for boys. Get ready for an epic celebration. These invitations are designed to make your party guests excited for a superhero adventure. They're perfect for birthdays of all ages, from toddlers to teens. Make a statement with these one-of-a-kind comic book style invites. They're sure to impress everyone who receives one, setting the stage for a super fun event. Our invitations are made from thick, high-quality cardstock, making them easy to write on. A printable template is also included for your convenience. Why pay more for custom invitations when you can get these fantastic bulk cards? They offer a cost-effective way to invite your guests in style. The back of these invites are blank, giving you the option to send them as postcards. Envelopes are not included, but a 7 size fits perfectly. Experience the difference that premium cardstock makes. You'll love the design and the quality of these invitations for your special celebration. What we like? Make your child's birthday party unforgettable. If you're looking for fun and engaging invitations for a boys' superhero-themed party, these are ideal. They are easy to write on or print, and the vibrant design will excite young guests. What people say. They are nice, thick invites. Sturdy, nice design. Very cute, nice quality. Template for printing from computer included with order, which was very handy. They are made from a very sturdy cardstock and are very cute in person. Easy to fill out with all the prompts on the card. Number 2. Lou's Jukebox Volume 6, a Rolling Stones tribute. Experience the legendary music of the Rolling Stones like never before. Lou's Jukebox Volume 6 brings you an unforgettable tribute. Join us for a special musical event. This is your invitation to celebrate the iconic sounds that defined a generation. We've curated the best of their timeless hits. Prepare to be moved by the spirit and energy of their greatest songs. This collection is a heartfelt homage to one of the greatest rock bands. It's a must-have for any true fan. Immerse yourself in the raw power and enduring legacy. Get your copy today and relive the magic. What we like. This is a must-have for any devoted fan of the legendary band. If you appreciate classic rock and want to immerse yourself in the music and spirit of the Rolling Stones, this compilation offers a curated listening experience. It's perfect for dedicated collectors and music enthusiasts. What people say. She picked my favorite Stones songs. The band is absolutely incredible and Lucinda's vocals are great. Her covers are different enough that I like this collection, especially covers like Sway and The Last Time. Lucinda has the right voice for these covers. What a great rock and roll voice. Number 1. Classic, elegant, entertaining. You are cordially invited to experience a new standard in entertaining. Discover the perfect blend of classic charm and sophisticated style. Our collection embodies a timeless aesthetic that never goes out of fashion. It's designed to impress your guests with its enduring beauty. Make every gathering memorable with ease. We provide the tools and inspiration for seamless hosting. Each piece is thoughtfully created to enhance your special moments. Elevate your celebrations with unparalleled quality. Embrace the art of hospitality with our exquisite offerings. It's more than just entertaining, it's about creating lasting memories. What we like. Elevate your hosting skills with timeless advice. If you are looking to host sophisticated gatherings and want to learn the art of classic entertaining, this guide provides the essential knowledge. It's perfect for anyone who desires to create memorable and elegant events. What people say. It is cohesive and full of a variety of beautiful color schemes, themes, and enviable dinnerware and decor. In addition to being a visual delight, the book has helpful tips, advice, and recipes. The pictures and parties are not only beautiful but inspirational. There are so many wonderful tips and ideas to create your own special celebrations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.